The EVEAGE 24-inch pressure washer surface cleaner, known as the EP003, is a commercial-grade cleaning tool designed to handle stubborn stains across a variety of surfaces, including wood, concrete, tile, and brick, with twice the cleaning speed of ordinary three-wheel surface cleaners. Constructed with high-density nylon splash-free skirt, the EP003 reduces overspray and keeps you dry during the cleaning process, while its upgraded structure design and built-in filter prevent leaking and clogging. This pressure washer cleaner is made from hard stainless steel 401, making it rust-proof, anti-corrosive, and super durable, extending its service life by at least 50% compared to other brands. The EP03 is user-friendly, featuring a simple structure for easy installation, 2 angle adjustable handles, and 4 universal wheels for effortless operation, and a trigger locking design that keeps it in working mode. In addition to the surface cleaner, the package includes 2 easy-to-replace nozzles, various adapters and connectors, Teflon tape, and a nozzle cleaner, all backed by a 12-month warranty from the manufacturer. With a high review score of 4.6 out of 5 and priced at $329.99, the EP003 pressure washer cleaner represents a worthwhile investment for efficient and effective cleaning.